Johnny, where are we going?
We're going beach trip.
Road trip! Oh, yeah, man! Oh, Joe, I'm a vlogger now.
It's your boy Joe, aka
This nigga's a super senior.
Fuck Durban.
He finished his honors and he's still here. Guys, I'm a vlogger now.
Say what's up to the vlog. Yeah, we just got bounced out of the staff room.
Damn, man, they kicked us out.
That's what we get for trying to be
But
a
we
bad boy.
rebels. I'm vlogging now.
What?
I'm a vlogger. Did you see last week's vlog?
Every girl, every boy, they got your posters on their walls.
Candy's busy talking. Bonga's busy scraping chairs. Like, what the? Please. Shut up, Rashaylin.
But you and Ziana Paul is. Oh, you can pour. You pour as much as you want. I know this guy can't handle himself. That's why I'm.
Yes, dog.
Have you ever told you my favorite color is pink?
You always say that.
Yeah, it is.
Good color. Each other's company.
Oh, company. Yeah, yeah.
What do you write in the daily log? How you felt?
I'm in the car, man. This is all for 1K. Smoking stack, man.
3-piece suit and everything.
Are you twins?
Nah, we cousins.
Say girls poop.
Girls obviously poop.
Stop it. Girls do not poop, man. Stop it.
Girls poop.
Johnny, do girls poop?
I've never
Thank you.
Really? Like on the. Yeah.
He's a Pampers baby.
Might have been in one of the adverts too.
Oh yeah.
As a child.
I like my picture was in the advert, not like a video.
Or
like,
video,
yeah.
Like the 2000s ones, yeah, bro. Search like you can search 2000s
Yeah.
Indian Pampers baby.
Indian Pampers baby.
He should be the Indian one.
Yeah. Interesting.
Paparazzi's hiding in the bushes, trying to make a dollar.
So you speak in this mic and it comes out of there.
Johnny, please grab that thing. The silver
Samsung.
thing and the
The Samsung.
this thing.
The thing, Johnny.
The thing, Johnny. With the power. Yes, that thing with the power. The thing with the power.
Dream as a teen. See cars, Hollywood Boulevard. Hear the crowd calling.
Can we be just company? Nox, look here. Mandy, look here.
Oh my gosh.
Mandy, look here. You look here.
All the trees over here look like they've been burned below the soil line. They're getting eaten by a bear. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yep.
My name is Sadia. Yeah. Who are you? Hi, NK.
How are you? Hey.
Oh, I don't know your name.
But I feel like that's gonna change. You ain't gotta be my lover for you to call me baby. Never been about no pressure. Ain't that serious? Can we each other company. Maybe we can be each other's company. Oh, company.
This man drinking Springbok.
I call it coriander.
Coriander.
I'm finding out what being royal's all about. Making my way, it's an adventure every day.
To show them all that I'm Sophia the